So hello friends, welcome back again to Charlotte's channel or new video. So in today's video is an update of the video last time, no, yung ginawa namin or yung pinakita namin about doon sa ball pool na talaga namang is nagkulang. So kung hindi nyo pa alam yun, ilalagay ko yung link on the description below para makita nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Alright? So, last time kasi is parang nag-DIY ako. Ayan, as you can see sa background, no? Merong isa ito, kasama ito sa DIY ko na ginawa, no? And para magkaroon si Charlotte ng playground or PlayStation dito sa bahay. Since wala kaming extra room to give her, you know, playground. So, kaya itong side na to, this is actually a dining area corner. Actually, nasa sala ito eh. And then, nandito na rin yung dining table namin. So, we sacrifice the dining table, itong natatayuan ko ngayon. So, para gawing playground for Charlotte. Ayan. So, ayun nga, back to the story, no. Last time kasi is talagang, obviously, kulang yung aming plastic balls. Kulang siya kasi yung inflatable swimming pool namin is yung malaki yung nabili namin, around 122 cm something like that. So talagang kulang yung 100 pieces of plastic balls doon sa malaking pool na yon. So kaya naman, since hindi niya masyado na enjoy yung inflatable swimming pool na yon because of, you know, kundi lang talaga yung plastic balls. Since yung plastic balls is medyo may kamahalan ng konti, hindi naman talaga namin kayang afford na bumili ng ganun ka-bulk. So, I decided na mag-post doon sa parang trash to treasure doon sa Facebook. Meron namimigay ng mga items to give away for free, no? Dito sa place namin. So, I posted there na kung maaari, willing na magbigay ng mga plastic balls na, or meron silang mga old plastic balls na hindi na nila ginagamit, they are willing to give away, no? So, nag-post ako doon. So, luckily, I was blessed because may nag-comment sa post ko na yon. I thought na madidisregard lang yon or hindi talaga papansinin. So, I was so blessed na merong isang tao talagang nag-comment. He said na ipipm ko daw siya. So, during the conversation, she offered 100 pieces of plastic balls for free. So, I was so blessed, so thankful, no? So, talaga namang may mga taong talagang mapagbigay. O, diba? So, later, ipapakita ko yon kung ano nga yung anong klaseng balls yung binigay niya. So, before that, I'd like to thank to Mrs. Grace Santos Lazaro. Thank you, ma'am, for being so kind. Hindi ko ina-expect yun, lalo na sa kapwa ko Pilipino. Okay, thank you. And God bless you po. Okay, so anyway, ito na, ipapakita ko na kung gaano na nga pakarami yung nakolect naming balls from 100 pieces to 800 pieces. Ayan. So, kasama na din yung binigay ni Mrs. Grace Santos Lazaro. Alright? So, friends, here they are. Ayan na sila. So, nais ko nang ipakita yung binigay ni Mrs. Grace Santos Lazaro. Actually, ito yon. Ayan. May kasama pang box. Ayan. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo. Actually, yung binigay niya is parang set na siya na meron parang kasamang parang bahay-bahayan. And then, para ilagay yung ball doon inside. So, ito yon. Okay, so yung binigay niya is, ayan. Ito yung parang kanyang bahay-bahayan. Oh. And then, yung ball niya is tinanggal ko na. Yung ball niya is tinanggal ko sa box. And ito na siya ngayon. Sineparate ko sa isang plastic bag. 100 pieces of plastic balls. Colorful balls. Oh, ayan. So, maganda yung quality ng binigay niya. Kahit na second hand, pero talagang I don't care. I'm so happy and thankful talaga. So, Miss Grace, thank you once again. Thank you. God bless you po. So itong another 100 is Ito yung pinakauna namin binili from El Corte Inglés. Talagang napakakulang. Kaya dinagdagan namin. So, 200 na. And then ito. Yung isang ganito, yung isang plastic, 200 pieces ito. Okay. So, 2, 4, 6. Okay, 600. Plus another 100, 100. So, a total of 800 pieces of plastic bowls. Okay, so we will see. Titingnan natin kung mapupuno ba niya yung 122 cm of inflatable swimming pool. Okay, stay tuned!
What is this? Bye. Bye. Oh, I